Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coast of Cooking, coming at you. Tonight I've got an absolutely gorgeous top loin roast. Basically this is kind of like a roast of New York strips, okay? I want y'all to just see this right here. I picked it up at my local grocer. It was on sale, so I said, heck yeah, in the meat department. There is a fat cap on the other side, but you know, I'm gonna leave that on. I do want to trim some of the fat from this side, just a little bit, y'all. Just so you can see here what I'm doing. Because that way, I want the seasoning to be able to penetrate at least this good side here. Oh yeah, and get some kind of a crust, you know what I mean? Get some of this silver, see that silver skin right there? You don't want that. So we're just gonna take a little cold steel right here, a little trimming knife. Kind of like a boning knife, I guess you would call it, but you just kind of get that silver skin and stuff like that off. Let me get this side trimmed up and I'll come right back to y'all. Alright, so I got this side all nice and trimmed up like I like it. I'll show y'all the other side. See, it's just got a fat cap on there. Might graze it just a little bit, but I mean, this fat, this is not bad at all. I want to kind of leave this. See, I'm going to thin it out some, but this is where your flavor. Now you get these big old hunks off like this over here. You know, you don't want to kind of even everything out so it'll crust up right. The old hunk fat off there. Hunk fat. Okay. So a lot of this, you know, extra fat over here. Like I said, you don't want super thick in some places, but that's not really going to bother anything. See, there may be some silver skin underneath there some. I think we should be fine here, y'all. But I may remove a little bit of the silver skin. But other than that, at least I'm just get fat on there, right? Because, again, you know, fat is where a lot of your flavor is going to come from. All right, so then what I want to do is take some olive oil, or whatever, duck fat would be good. You got it, just kind of spray it down. All right, on them tips and the ends and all that good stuff. And I've got some rub I'm using is, what is this? Butcher's Barbecue Steak and Brisket Rub. I think this will pair very nicely with something like this, you know. So we kind of pat it in, okay. Just get that good flavor on there. All right, get the ends, don't forget the ends, and of course the good lean side where that meat is. But I want to get that in there for sure. I can smell this rub. It's absolutely amazing. Smell, flavor, all that good stuff. It's mainly salt, pepper, garlic, I think. But you know, don't want to get too crazy on the seasoning. But we'll go ahead and spray that down a little bit. See, and we'll season this too. I'm telling you what, this bad boy is going to be flavorful. I'm going to let it sit out just for a little bit in the fridge, hang out. I guess I could just let it hang out on the countertop. Go ahead and fire up the Yoder Ys640. That's where we'll cook this bad boy. And oh yeah, it's going to be real good, y'all. Excellent. Y'all, it's just spitting rain out here. We're out here at the Ys640. I've got a low down with Lumberjack Competition Pellets. I'm gonna set this bad boy top rack in here. All right. Oop, I'm gonna put them on that. I'm gonna use that right there, y'all. There we go. Just let it grill. Oh yeah. You see, I got them chicken wings for some appetizers too. Y'all, I've got some good old compound butter seasoning right here from the Oyster Bay Company mixed up. We're about to baste this bad boy out here. It's about 70 degrees or so. Oh, come over here, look at this. Come on. A little bit closer there. See right there, oh yeah. So let's just baste some melted butter, compound butter seasoning. Put all that good pieces of garlic, all that good stuff in the seasoning. We just want to put that down the side of this thing. Just keep it good. Be amazing, y'all. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Let's just get that nice and buttery. And just definitely pat that down. Put that goodness on there. Alright, that's nothing but flavor right there. Now we're gonna let it finish cooking. But y'all, we've hit about 130 internal here. We're gonna take this bad boy off, get inside, and just, oh yeah, let it rest just for a little bit. But I'm telling you what, it's a beautiful piece of meat. Let me get a picture of that. That's gorgeous. Alright, get it off of here for y'all. And we'll slice into it here shortly. Right there we go. Wrap it in full. Alright, so let's cut into it and see what it's like. Oh wow. Look at that. Nice pink, medium rare. I'm gonna cut the other side too, so y'all can see. Man, oh man. Can't wait to taste this. Get a little plug here. Let's just see them. Look at all the juice there on top and everything. Got all that good drawn butter. Oh, that's good. That's really, really good. That's amazing. Yeah. It's our top loin roast, I believe is what this is called. Basically, it's a New York strip, just uncut. So, y'all give this a try. I'll put a link to where I got the stuff to make it with. Thank y'all. Oh, sorry, I had to step outside for a second to finish this out, but y'all, that really was good. And y'all remember, like my videos, sub my channel. Y'all have a great one. God bless y'all. Y'all take it easy.